I'ma break that bitch. I'm a motherfucking crocodile at the same time. Flip the damn mold like Busta Rhymes. Kick these motherfuckers, make them fucking feel that damn fine kick like Bruce Lee. Right through the knee. They can't fucking walk, but they be hating and they're envious towards me, dog. I take it fucking personal, like an envelope. Take it to the hole like Karl Malone. Make you feel the elbows right to your dome. Feel it fucking right to the left. Coming out and throw bombs. Let you fucking feel like Saddam in the bike that just passed by. Fucking kill my damn mind. I fucking coming out like a rhinoceros rhyming thing. I fucking make grown men instinct and pee on their damn pants when I hit them up with such damn clean. I don't even bang, but I be damn fine. When Nasty Nas and Damian Marley on the motherfucking distant relatives. Get these fools with adjectives and pronouns just to come out and fucking swerve on the curb. Hit you on the jaws, make you swerve like an alcoholic guy who can't drink. He's a lightweight. I'm a freight train and come through your state and fucking take you out and invade for every fucking thing you're paying. And I fucking take it. You can fucking feel the damn pain and you remain in my brain every day and fucking hacking me and fucking online cyber attack things with your fucking tactical trainings that you have with PD. I got tacticals and trainings with Marines, Air Force and Navy. You wanna fucking see this shit? I fucking bring out Titanics and sink them like the iceberg. Make you fucking feel.
Wanna dance with the devil? No.
That's what they wanna do, dog. Yeah.
It's a bad beat and shit too.
All of a sudden, I see medical fucking students, stupid assholes on the phone, walking on the street like she's not doing shit. You a low life, because I wouldn't do that shit any day. Oh my. Go and release like a submarine on ocean. The stream release and go beast like the Kid West. The representing when you have a damn best. I aim for your head, making sure that you're fucking dead. The rest of your homies straight feds are gonna fucking see my damn pedals with my feet like Fred Flintstone. Hit you with a stone on your head, drop it like the way that David did Goliath. You think you're gonna fucking start some shit? I'll start a riot like the 92 when they started, when the LAPD got acquitted for beating the shit out of Rodney King back in the